Hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we will be handing in Black Bear's quest, starting Star Journey 1, and defeating Mondo Chick and probably Tunnel Bear. Let's get right into it. So let's just try and defeat it really easily. There's 3 people here. It's gonna be easy. I am also, if you're wondering, gonna get the star, the star amulet. Then I'm gonna get, I figured I'm gonna skip the staff. And why? I just died. Okay. Well, I figured I just got my 30 speed today, as you can see. I figured I'm gonna save up for not the staff. I'm gonna skip that. So I'm gonna get this one, the person, yeah, the dipper, I think. Yeah. So, today's video we're gonna try, we're probably gonna defeat Tunnel Bear. We're gonna just grind a lot. We're gonna, what else? We're gonna finish a brown bear challenge. And then, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do in this video. I won't make another video for probably a week, because I will be grinding a lot for the new tool. Looks like we're doing a pretty good amount of damage. But I'm actually gonna come back after. I'm just gonna go hand in this Black Bear quest that's ready. I actually just finished it today. So, what should we get? We just got 15 stingers. That's actually pretty good. Let's see another. We actually, I used to use the marshmallow bee. Shoot, whatever. Let's see this challenge. Oh my god. What? Are you guys seeing this challenge? Wait, what? Well, this challenge is super hard. We do get a star jelly though, which is pretty good. But I'm gonna work on Brown Bear and, yeah, try and defeat Tunnel Bear. That's all for this video. Oh my god. Bro, I feel like Mondo Chick shouldn't hit people so hard. Wait, comment down below if you think I should get the staff or the dipper. So this white one. Or should I get, I don't know. It's a hard decision because they're both pretty good. We got 4 people here. That's actually a lot of people. Oh, we're so close to defeating him. Someone just died. And it wasn't me. So we are gonna go play all the memory matches. Well, not all, because there's only 35 section. We can't go there. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And come on. He is been defeated, I think. Come on! Yeah! Oh, I'm not getting anything. But yeah, that was actually pretty fast, I gotta say. But I think I got a new time. Bro, I'm not even getting anything. Okay, when it's nighttime, we're gonna go play. Well, right, I feel like we're gonna go defeat Mondo Chick right now. I mean, not Mondo, Tunnel Bear. Right after we play this. Nope. I'm just gonna grab this. And let's go. And activate a stinger. We already did 1,000 damage. Oh, there's another Tunnel Bear. Okay. Okay. Baby. I think we're gonna defeat him. I almost died there. God, that was close. I can't believe I got 15 stimulus from Black Bear. I think we're gonna defeat him actually. I almost died there. That would have been not good, because that guy actually got him. It's gonna take us a bit longer, because he has better bees than us. This might be the one I defeated him. I've never defeated him. Come on! Wait. Please. Come on. Wait. Did this other... Oh, no. Wait. No, I don't think we're gonna... Come on. No. Please don't tell me we're gonna... You're kidding me. I think I need to level up some... I'm gonna level up... That's... Okay, I'm gonna get my... One of my bees killed. I feel like we should have done that. But whatever. Wait, first I'm just gonna... I don't want that stubborn bee. Oh, you're... Yeah, that's nice. Okay. I think maybe now. Stump field, we don't want that. Okay, what else did I say we were gonna do? Oh yeah. Wait, let's go. Strawberry. Okay, let's just go get... Bro, that's so much for Black Bear. Guys, you were so close to defeating Tangle Bear. I think next episode we're gonna defeat him. But like, yeah, in the next episode we're probably gonna defeat him. See, I feel like Star Journey is easier. Star Journey is probably easier than this Black Bear challenge. Just because, like, I feel like the Black Bear has more fields and probably more, like, just like more pollen. I feel like that. Cause like, what should we do first? Brown Bear, Black Bear, sorry, or Star Journey. I do feel like Star Journey would be easier. So I feel, yeah, we're gonna do Star Journey first. Then we'll do Black Bear. Well, I guess I am kind of doing Star Journey challenge. Well, not really. Whatever. What we do need is a boost. So I'm just gonna keep on grinding. Wait, am I done it? Where is it? Oh, I'm close. Okay, I want it to be nighttime because I want to play the memory match. So remember, comment down below if I should grind for the staff or the dipper. And we are done. So, wait. Okay. Wait, who's this wee brown bear? Okay. Chili beans. Okay, should we? Should we try and... What should we do right now? I don't know. Actually, I'm gonna defeat... Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna do an ant challenge. Actually, wait. Let's go play a memory match. Or... No. I don't know what to do. Oh, yeah, let's do that ant challenge. Okay. Right after we grab this. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this. I feel like the rake would be better, actually. Whatever. Wee! I'm going so fast. Wow. Okay. So after this, we're actually gonna... No, what should we do?